Okay, so we will start from chapter 4. Here in chapter 4, we will read about the upper contraction and hypen. So, what is a dot for hypen? 3 6. And there is one question which we will read about what is a contractions. Okay, and why we will use contractions. So, contraction firstly, if you write something in braille, so what you do, you have to and you want to write in a short form, okay, rather to put more times, okay. So what you do, you have to firstly start, okay. So when you start writing in a short form, so just contraction help out to save your time, okay. So there is a first objective related to contraction if we talk about. So what you do, you have to save your time, okay, and just work like as a filler, okay. And second is question is how we will use contractions. So contraction use, suppose that if you start writing ch, so ch, for the ch what you do, you have to write 1 and 6, okay. So for dot 1 6, so there is a lots of sentence, lots of word that by the uses of 1 6 dots, and that's form easily, okay. So here if you can see, so start writing choice. What you do, firstly put dot 6, okay. And for choice what you do, you have to write 1 and 6, okay. There is a not need to write in separate dot and separate column. Here you have to put only 1 and 6 and start writing OICE, okay. Now for chill what you do, you have to same as write 1 6, and what you do, you have to do I and double N. That was write in separate form in 3 letters, but before using as a prefix what you do, you have to write 1 and 6, okay. Now for what you do for the coach, CO, okay, start from CO, and here if you notice that here uses as a not a prefix, here uses as a suffix. So what you do as a for the suffix, you have to write 1 and 6, okay. And for the mischief, as usual you have to write MISCH. What you do for CH, 1 and 6, okay, IEF. Now for GH, what you do for GH, 1 2 and 6, okay. For SH, 1 3 6. For TH, 1 4 5 6. For WH, 1 5 6. For ED, what you do, 1 2 4 6. For ER, 1 2 4 5 6. For OU, 1 2 5 6. OW, 2 2 4 6. For ST, what you do, 3 4. For AR, 3 4 5. ING, for what you do, 3 4 6. And BLE, what you do, 3 4 5 6. Okay, so these all are the contraction, and here if you can see here, so all the rules are written here, okay. So what you do, firstly if you start writing, so just all the rules, okay. I just read and write all the rules, okay, before next class when we read done, okay. So these all are the rules and these all are the word sign, okay. And here all the forms that will be start writing as a use as a reference. So just see all the letters and words and sentences which is a frame out to through these all the contractions, upper contractions, okay. So thank you everyone for the 2D class.